Hey ladies, welcome back to my channel. So you know what's so funny? I have to put on my glasses to find the glasses that I really like. I'm always like, those aren't them. Where are they? But I can't find them unless I put on a pair of glasses to find them. Is that crazy or what? You know, it's funny. I was just reading in the book I told you about on Instagram from Norma Kamali. She's a designer. She's 75. She just got engaged. This is a really great book. It's called I Am Invincible. And I was reading it last night, and she said that she was diagnosed with osteoporosis in her 40s, and so she was on this medication, and the nurse had said, take 2 in the AM, 2 in the PM. And so she read that as 2 AM and 2 PM. So she said it sounded so silly. I mean, I can see myself doing this. So she set her alarm for 6 months that she was taking this medication for 2 a.m. and then she would take it at 2 p.m. And she's like, I know this sounds so stupid, but she's like, then I developed this like sleep issue because I was waking up at 2 o'clock in the morning, and she's like, I didn't even have to set my alarm anymore. And I thought, you know, it's so funny. You know, I've done things like, it kind of reminded me of like, I've been whistling in my mask, or I go to eat something or what, I have the mask on, I'm like, oh my gosh, this is ridiculous. Or I got in the shower one time with my glasses on and they fogged up, and I'm like, oh, I still have my glasses on. So weird, I've never done that before. So when she said that, it was so cute because I thought, oh my gosh, this poor thing has been waking up at 2 a.m. to take this medication instead of 2 in the morning, 2 in the afternoon. So I know we can all relate to that, right, ladies? So today's video is all about what products that you really need over 40. What makeup products do you really need? Now, I just like slimmed it down. These are my must-haves. Like if you were going on vacation, or you were like stuck stranded somewhere and you wanted to look beautiful and just have simple products, I picked these out because they're relevant for us over 40, aging, and what happens. So let's get into it. So my number one is mascara. So this is basic makeup. If you had nothing else, like if someone said, Nicole, you're gonna be, you know, stranded somewhere, maybe somewhere like St. Bart's or somewhere fabulous, I would say, okay, well, I definitely need mascara. If nothing else, please give me mascara because it opens up your eyes, it adds dimension, it adds darkness. You can't really see your lashes until you have mascara on them. So I always have to pair it though with a lash curler. So you can have a mechanical or you can have a heated eyelash curler, whatever you prefer. I like to use them both together. But when you curl your lashes, you're opening up your eyes. You look like you're well rested. You swipe on the mascara and you look absolutely beautiful. Even if you're not wearing anything else, the eyes, like they say, eyes are the window of the soul. You're gonna have these beautiful eyes with those lashes just coming out. Even if you have shorter lashes, ladies, putting mascara on completely changes the eye look. So my second product over 40 basic makeup is going to be an eye brightener, like a touch-up pen, something that's going to give you a nice thin veil of brightening, not going to be heavy. We don't want to cover up the skin, but you can use this brightening touch-up pen for just underneath the eye, or if you might have a couple different spots, maybe around the nose. This is going to brighten up the face. You can literally actually really give a nice tone to the face with one product. Just depends on how you use it. But my big thing when I wake up in the morning and I'm like, oh my gosh, can we brighten up the eye area? Can we brighten up the skin, please? But maybe I don't want to have full coverage, or I don't want to have to put on a foundation or anything else. I will take my brightening pen and I will light it up, and it dramatically changes your face. My third product over 40 basic makeup is a cream eyeshadow stick. And this is a beautiful product because it's so easy, ladies. You take off the top, you swipe it on, work it in with your finger, and you have a beautiful eyeshadow instantly. It gives you that simple, easy, fast. If you are a mom or if you are a grandma and you are running after your grandchildren, or you're running out to the supermarket and you want to have just a really beautiful look, but with like no time at all, a cream eyeshadow stick is a must for your makeup bag. So So my next product is a must-have for anyone over 40 because it's going to add color not only to your cheeks but also to your lips. So this is my cream blushes. I love these. Palm Beach and Heaven's Lane. I use these all the time in my Fierce Aging. They look so beautiful, so hydrating on mature skin. So this is going to give you that pop of color. You can do a wash or you can do a little bit more density. That depends on how you want to apply this. So you can just tap on, work it in and just have a little bit of a flush look, or you can add more color depending on what you want for that day. Also, you can take this to your lips if you want to. You can even take it on your eyelids and just do a little bit to give you some of that color. I would suggest going in with Palm Beach, more of an apricot color if you wanted to do that, or we have Plummy, which is really beautiful, a nice plum color. Another staple for over 40 in your makeup bag is going to be a BB cream. I find that these are so easy to use because it's a color range. You don't have to match your color perfectly like a foundation. And also, this is going to give you lots of great coverage, but it's not going to be heavy and masking. So you're gonna see the skin through. This has aloe vera, it has chamomile, it has ginseng, it has a lot of great properties for mature skin. So it's gonna be hydrating. It's gonna give you a really beautiful dewy look, but not high shine, not greasy. It's just the right amount of moisture for your skin to really make it come alive. So having a BB cream, or even if you want to go into a CC cream or a tinted moisturizer, a really beautiful staple for over 40 in your makeup bag, because you're going to get an even tone, very simple, very light. You're going to still feel natural. You're going to still feel like yourself, but you're going to get a beautiful, beautiful look to your skin. My last little duo, it's actually a trio, is going to be a lip liner, a lip gloss, or a lipstick. But the big key here, as we age, we kind of lose that definition of our lips. So using a lip liner, whether it's a waterproof creamy lip liner or a kohl pencil, lining the lip, you can even use your lip liner as your lipstick and then put on either a vitamin E treatment or a clear gloss and go. Or you can put on a lipstick, beautiful, soft, pinky, just to give a little bit of color to your lip, or your favorite lip gloss. I love doing the two together. I like just having a high gloss lipstick that's very moisturizing on my lips, because it's going to give your lips that beautiful, fresh look. So this will dramatically change over 40, just putting on something that looks very natural, a gloss, anything that has a beautiful shine to it. It's going to change your look. It's going to give you that vibrancy, that beautiful kind of just alive look. And that's what's really important, I feel, when it comes to just your staples. These are powerful staples that you don't need a ton of different products. You can do an eyeshadow cream stick, beautiful cream blush, you can do the BB cream, you can do an eye brightener, just picking out specific products that are going to be really useful for you as you age. You don't need a lot of makeup, you don't need to do a lot of steps. It can bear it down to just really 5 to 6 products, and you have a beautiful, easy look, which would be 5 minutes, under 10 minutes for sure. But these are really great products to always remember to have in your makeup bag over 40. This is what is tried and true in my bag, and I hope you enjoyed that. And until my next video, I'll see you later.